I'm very happy today. I'm ecstatic today. If you keep saying the word very, you are capping your fluency. Think about it. It's like trying to paint a masterpiece with only 3 colors. It gets boring and it sounds repetitive. Today, we're going to advance your vocabulary.
Oh, wow!
I'm giving you 10 vibrant shades of English to replace the adverb very, so you can sound more professional, more precise, and more like a native speaker if you are not a native speaker. Let's dive in. The secret is simple. In English, we have extreme adjectives. These are words that already have the meaning of very hidden inside them. When you use these words, you don't need the filler words anymore. Here are 10 you can start using today. Number 1, instead of very tired, you can say exhausted. I am so exhausted. I've been yawning all day. Number 2, instead of very hungry, you can say starving. Is lunch ready yet? I'm starving. Number 3, instead of very happy, you can say thrilled. She was thrilled when she got her promotion. Number 4, instead of very sad, you can say devastated. My cousin was devastated when his team lost the game. Number 5, instead of very big, say massive or enormous. The project was a massive success. Number 6, very small can be better worded as tiny. There's a tiny mistake on page 2. Number 7, instead of very angry, say furious. The client was furious because the delivery was late. Next, instead of very beautiful, say stunning. The sunset in Boracay is absolutely stunning. Number 9, very smart is the same as brilliant. Eric Thomas is a brilliant journalist. And number 10, instead of saying very clean, try saying spotless. Mia's room is always spotless. So in conclusion, very tired, exhausted, very hungry, starving, very happy, thrilled, very sad, devastated, very big, massive, very small, tiny, very angry, furious, very beautiful, stunning, very smart, brilliant, very clean, spotless. Now it's your turn. Look at this sentence. I am very angry because I am very hungry. It sounds okay, but we can make it better. Using the words we just learned, how would you rewrite that sentence? I'll give you a hint. It involves being furious and starving. Now, please write your new and improved sentence in the comments below. If you want to keep improving your English, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't be very good at English. Be exceptional. See you in the next lesson.